After being in a trucking accident, a lot of times people are stressed, they're angry, they're wondering how they're going to cover their medical expenses, medical bills, they're wondering how they're going to take care of themselves or even their family. We understand these are all logical worries and concerns, and we're here to lower your stress levels and address those worries. After being in a trucking accident, there are some common mistakes people can make with their personal injury claim. Number one, not gathering evidence after the accident, whether it be photos, witness information, or a copy of the police report if they're able to. Number two, not getting checked out by a doctor right after the accident, either at a hospital or by an urgent care doctor. Insurance companies can use this against you and say, oh look, they really weren't that injured after the accident if they didn't go seek medical attention immediately. Number three, once you're discharged from the hospital, following your recommended treatment. A lot of times life gets busy and people are unable to make their appointments, whether it be a therapy session or a surgery, and insurance companies can use this against them as a gap in treatment and say, oh look, they're delaying their treatment, they really weren't that injured. Number four is not hiring an attorney right away. After an accident, when people find out that they have 2 years as the statute of limitations in Georgia to file their personal injury claim, they think they have plenty of time and can hold off on hiring an attorney. This is a bad mistake because you need to have an attorney to preserve any evidence out there, whether it be witnesses or dash camera or body camera footage from police officers, and you want to make sure you don't make any critical mistakes, and having an attorney right away will prevent that. Number five, you want to make sure that if you receive calls from your insurance company or the at-fault driver's insurance company, that you have an attorney by your side. The reason for this is the insurance companies have adjusters who are trained to ask you specific questions that can be harmful to your case. They're not looking out for your best interests. They're trying to pay you the least amount possible for your case. And this information they're going to get from you can be harmful to you. So you want to make sure you have an attorney with you on the call when you're talking to the insurance adjuster, or you want to have the attorney talk with the insurance adjuster directly. So please don't give a recorded statement to the insurance company. And number six is hiring the incorrect attorney. You need to understand that not all attorneys are created equal. There are attorneys out there juggling multiple practice areas of law. An attorney might handle a will on Monday, a divorce on Tuesday, and a DUI on Friday, and then try and handle a personal injury claim. You want to make sure you have a personal injury attorney who can focus on your case, and a personal injury attorney that's had success and experience with similar cases to yours. And most importantly, you want to make sure they're a trial lawyer. Insurance companies know who the trial lawyers are, and they're quicker to come to the table with a fair and reasonable offer for your case if they have a trial attorney. And if they don't come to the table with a fair and reasonable offer, a trial attorney will push your case all the way to a jury verdict and ask a jury for the fair and reasonable amount you deserve. And trust me, an insurance company does not want that to happen. A trial attorney is going to work tirelessly to get the very best result possible on your case, and it's not going to cost a dime more to you. If you have any questions about your trucking accident case, feel free to give our office a call. We offer free legal consultations, and we're happy to sit down with you and answer any questions or concerns you might have.